It is the second part of video how to create Web 2.0 backlinks. First of all, we will copy the title of the article. You can also write it. If you cannot write it, then simply you can took article from the design article website. I will copy. It is enough. So next step is to rewrite it using Spin Boot basic spin. Copy it. Then paste here the re- the rewrite article. It is our keyword. Copying the keyword, paste it here naturally. Copying the website URL. Insert backlink. Then OK. The color of this keyword has been changed. You can see it means the backlink has been successfully. Review. You can see how your backlink will be shown publicly. So here is our keyword, and as we take our arrow on it, we can see here is backlink is shown. So copy it, paste in front of it. It is also our Web 2.0 backlink. So simple, cut it. It is WordPress website, so come on, right. Here is the right option. We will take our article from here, computer parts. Same procedure. First copying the title, then rewrite our article from Spin Boot, then paste here, and after that we will copy keyword and then website link. Control Alt Control V. Control A is used to select all basic spin, and Control V is used to paste. Copy the article and simply Control V paste. Next step is to copy the keywords, paste it generally. Also check how long do power supplies last. It is our keyword, so here I am copying the website backlink, selecting our keyword. Here is the website link. Okay, you can see it is okay. So publish, then again publish. Now I will see how it will look. So I will view the post. So this is how our backlink is looking. So I will copy and paste.